Here we go, traders. We got Amazon daily chart. We're updating the short. We shorted it right up here. It's on the website. It's on the YouTube channel. We're testing major moving averages. We're testing 150-day where they can bounce. We're testing the 100-day. Amazon has been down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today was the 6th day. And we put the short on the $200 put options 2 weeks ago. So when we take a look at the Amazon $200 puts, and this is a home run, and it was on November 15th, and I have it, and I have the proof of the trade. And if you believe it's going down, get on buy now, pay later. Get on buy now, pay later. I'm in the puts. We've been down 6 days in a row. The stock never goes down 6 days in a row. I featured it short right here at the right time and 6 straight down days. Buy now, pay later. If you think it's going to go up, then buy the calls with us. If you think it's going to keep going down, then get in the puts. We will bankroll your trade under buy now, pay later program. Amazon.com.